What time is it?
7 on the dot.
7 a.m. and we are 2.5 hours away from Triple Crown. And we're at a Love's stop, getting ready to start our day. We're both excited, hoping we didn't overpack, but I know we did.
Yeah, just had to eat our way through it.
We're excited. We're at the McAfee Knob parking lot, getting ready to start our venture, the Triple Crown. It's gonna take a while. My backpack is already miserable.
30 pounds.
30 pounds, yeah, 30 pounds, but mine doesn't fit. It's too big. It's made for a bigger man. What was I gonna say? Anything to say before we?
It is foggy as all
And
get
already
out.
crowded.
Hoping for some burn off.
Yeah.
Blue skies later.
We'll probably get with you when we get up to the top. To drink some of my 35 pounds of weight. It'll be 34 and a half. Well, just as we thought, nice and crowded. And no sun, so I can't show you exactly where we're going as far as Tinker Cliffs. Well, we're going to have some lunch and then head to Tinker Cliffs.
Lunch.
Good protein. Now we're on our way to Tinker's Cliffs. It is so foggy out. I was going to show you exactly where we were going, but you couldn't even see 5 feet in front of you. we can because it's getting ready to be treacherous. Treacherous. And uphill. And slippery. Group. I got a signal, I guess. I was getting ready to get that rock formation and then the group text thing went off. You look like, what kind of animal was that? That does sound like a turkey. First break since McAfee Knob. I don't really know how far we went, but this is one rocky ass trail. Beautiful, but rocky. Feels so good to take the pack off. When you take it off, you just feel like you're floating in the air. Feels good. To the right. Yep, now we're gonna do some rock climbing. You can't tell, but this trail is like at a 45-degree angle on the side of a cliff. Beautiful. Reagan.
Yeah, that video might have got a little shaky at the end. We have went 7.3 miles. So we still have 2 more miles to go before we hit Tinker Cliffs, and then a mile for our Lambert shelter. We get to go downhill for a little bit, and then we got to climb that hill right there. Oh, shit. Oh yeah. 5 miles is 5 miles, but this is the longest 5 miles from McAfee Knob to Tinker Cliff.
Almost at the top. One last rest. The last 1.5 miles. Straight up. Brutal. Brutal. The hardest 1.5 miles ever. No switchbacks, just straight up. Almost there. And then I think we have almost 2 miles for the camp. And I am ready to get in that hammock.
Me too.
Double shot or single?
Double. Well, you can't see far enough for me to tell you how far you just went and what you did and where we're going. We made it to Tinker Cliffs. Disappointed that the fog didn't move out, or if it did, it came back in. So I couldn't point out what we just did. So when we make it to camp, I will show you on the map what we just did. This trail right here is like right up beside the cliff. We're headed to Lambert shelter. Hope we get there before dark so we can set up camp and do it all again tomorrow. I heard something. I was like, what the hell was that?
Oh, I thought it was me.
Oh.
Yeah, like a pitch tent right here.
Yeah.
Those people did. Whatever. I guess this is the Shenandoah Valley, isn't it?
Started to rain, and camp is over a mile away.
No choice but go.
Yep, gotta go.
Go wet.
Push forward. Endurance. Half a mile till camp. And hopefully somebody will help us set up because it's getting ready to be dark.
There you go. It is 5:30.
Half miles later. This is a beautiful sight right here. This is the shelter. I am spent. I'm going to set up and go to sleep after my PTA bath. Sweet, sweet sign. Where are you from?
I'm dog tags.
Dog tag?
Yes. West Point, Georgia.
And you doing the whole Appalachian Trail or
No, just 2 weeks out here, section hike.
section hike, 2 weeks?
Yep.
And your trail name?
I'm Stumbles.
Stumbles, I like that.
I'm from Kathleen, Georgia. Section hiking with these guys. We put in at Virginia 42. We're headed to Glasgow.
Wow. So y'all are used to this
Yeah.
rock.
I don't know about that. Every day we wonder what we're doing.
And your trail name?
I am Bubba Doodle, and I am from a suburb of Atlanta, Lilburn, Georgia. And been doing it with dog tags over here. What? This will be my
Since
6th year.
2013.
Wow.
He's been doing it 8 years, and then he's done from Springer, Georgia to right where he's sitting.
That is awesome.
So sections at a time. We enjoy
Yes,
it.
yeah. That's the way I do it, section at a time.
Yeah.
I got to get used to filtering my water.
Uh-oh.
But you know what? After today, I'm buying a filter.
Are you?
Yeah, my pack started out at 35 pounds, and I think I got it down to 28
Good.
from my food and my water, but I am not carrying water anymore.
You don't
Right.
only have to make a mistake of not filtering your water once.
Right, right.
You learn that.
Well, thank you guys.
Sure.
Thank you. You have a great hike.
Thank you. Sit up. That's her little spot. That's my mess. We'll go get firewood now and have some s'mores and roasted weenies. Got it? Slapped out. Ready to eat. We ain't even halfway there. Getting firewood, and people really piss me off. This right here looks like a damn pork chop in a bag, right by the campsite. How freaking stupid is that? This is what's for dinner. Chicken fried rice. Oh yeah? Actually, I probably should have pulled those handles out.
Oh. Yes. Oh, Lord. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do on that.
Look, Legs over there getting ready to eat wieners.
Imagine how bad I look right now. I should have brought all the fire sticks.
What's for dinner besides hot dogs? What are you
I had
boiling
chili.
Oh, chili? I see.
Yes. It is smoked 3-bean chili.
All right.
I've got the rest of the wieners here. I got a stirry going. So I don't know how many you want.
I am hungry.
I'm pretty hungry too.
Okay. Water is boiling.
Oh, I don't get
Now, here's what my rice looks like.
that. What'd you just say?
I said, there's what my rice looks like.
You said that's what her ass looks like.
No, I said my rice, not your ass. Oh my gosh. Water's in there. We're gonna stir it up a little bit and let it sit for 8 minutes. I'll probably starve to death by then.
You can have a hot dog.
Yeah. Legs have got a hot dog over there. I can eat that while I'm waiting.
Turn off my gas. My water is boiling. My wiener's down for a moment. So I don't burn myself. Smoked 3-bean chili. Be sure you don't touch your stove again.
Right?
Reseal it. I think mine's 4 minutes.
Yeah, mine was 4, and then you stir it, and then you let it stand 8.
Oh, that probably is what mine is too.
Looky here, I'm gonna eat a wiener.
Sorry, that just struck me on a different level.
Right? Okay, we're getting ready to hang a bear bag. So this has a knife and some batteries in it, so it's heavy. I take my cord, put it around the carabiner, put it on the bag, throw the bag up in the tree. After legs is finished pigging out.
I'm hungry. Got my graham cracker, my Parisian chocolate, and Stay Puft marshmallows. Perfect s'more.
Yep. Time for a PTA bath. After Legs tries to throw the bear bag up in the tree. This should be fun. Up there. You gotta try to get up there on that tree.
Like how far up here?
Far so the bear don't climb and get it. That'd be good if you can get that right there.
There's no way to throw that up there that high.
Now you know why it took me so many tries to try. There's no way. Oh,
See how close that was?
that was pretty close. I think you need another shot of bourbon. Don't knock yourself out.
Where'd it go?
Right here. Yep, 4 shots of bourbon, and she got it. All right, we gotta. Now we're gonna put the bags. Clip it. Let that come down enough where you can grab it.
Yeah, I think it's twisted.
4 hours of sleep. That's all I need. My hammock is on the freaking ground.
I'm not even on my mattress. I'm on my sleeping bag. It's hot. I feel like I'm in a cocoon. There's no zipper on this thing. It's got a damn Velcro on the bottom. 4 hours. That's all I need. The loudmouth that went to sleep last night is the loudmouth that is up first in the morning. Well, good morning. Do you see my hammock behind me? I slept on the ground last night. It was still pretty cold out here. Let me show you around a little bit. Everybody's packing up now. We're going to have a little breakfast and head out of here. I guess it's Andy Lane first. Right up there is the shelter. And I believe there was a mouse in there last night because it really sounded like they were river dancing. Here's the people that are late to bed and early to rise and loud so everybody can hear their conversation. And everybody over here was excellent. Quiet, respectful. You wouldn't believe that with that many people sitting out here, but all in all, it was a nice day. But I like the fact that on North Mountain, you can go down the mountain and you can set up camp anywhere you want to. On this side, you have to stay in designated areas. That's Legs getting ready. Time for breakfast. There's my eggs, a little bit of bacon in there. Okay, you've seen how many people were here last night camping. This is an awesome view of Leave No Trace. Seriously, they did so good. Packing up, getting out, and leaving no trace. Like I said, this was a bunch of awesome people to camp with on this side of the creek. Finishing up and then getting on the trail. Okay guys, she is going to filter water. And yes, I'm actually going to drink a half a bottle because I left a couple of bottles at home because I didn't want to carry so much when I had 12 pounds of water. So now I'm out of water.
This is the Grail hydration system. It's spelled G-R-A-Y-L, that kind of Grail. It's a Kickstarter project. So you fill up the base. And there is a line marker on it, so I could actually get a little bit more.
You're not touching bottom, are you?
I'm not touching the bottom. Try not to stir up any silt. Then your filter goes at the bottom. So unlike other packs, which filter the water through the filter, or you pour the water through the filter, this one is one that you push the filter through. So you find a hard surface, double-handed it, and you push down. It should take about 10 to 15 seconds, which is a lot faster than like a tablet. I'm not sure about the other hydration systems, how long they take.
Longer.
Then, once you're done, you can drink it out of it.
So I'll fill my bottle up first here, since I've already got some in.
Lord, don't fall back in that. Got a long way to go if you get wet.
So it is a pretty easy system. Next time I will bring a funnel to push through it, to put the water into the bottles. And that's it.
Yeah, I'm doing less than half, but I'm going to try it. Okay, we're leaving Lambert and on our way towards Andy Lane Trail. Goodbye, Lambert. You've been good to us. We have went a little over half a mile from Lambert to this point, and now Andy Lane is a little over, just a tiny over 3 miles. This has been torture with a 30-pound pack.
He hears us, so he stopped or whatever.
Oh, he's black.
Yeah.
He's a nice size. Well, you knew you wasn't going to make it through without seeing a snake.
You know what? This is the first one I've seen since I've...
Every time I go with her, she sees a snake.
And that's like my thing, is to see a snake. I used to have snakes as pets.
Well, I'm just glad it's that one.
That's true.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. I went with Kelly and we seen a copperhead.
Yeah, I haven't seen any. I mean, I just moved here like 5 months ago.
Oh, yeah?
I walk a trail almost every week. I haven't seen any snakes.
It's a good size one.
See lots of deer,
Oh,
lots of
yeah.
rabbits and squirrels. Seen one bear.
Andy Lane Trail. My favorite so far. Not really a lot of uphill. It's pretty flat. So this will be a good, easy 3 miles. Okay, I think we went about 2 miles since Lambert. About a little over a mile on Andy Lane. And I am ready to take my first drink of my filtered water from Legs. And I want proof, so I'm videoing it. Will you hand it to me?
I will. Let me hand and uncap.
Oh my goodness, here we go. First drink of filtered water, so if I'm sick and don't make it to work, you know why.
You won't be. It's been 24 hours since my first filtered water.
Tastes just like water. I mean, the pills, you can taste the pills. I think I'll invest in that.
Yeah, it's a good investment. It saved our lives.
Yes.
and I brought a lot of hiking equipment, and we did this trip to test out some things and do some reviews, and we picked a hell of a hike to try this stuff out. Tinker's Cliff is definitely a brutal hike with 30 extra pounds. So please go to cliff tops and waterfalls and check out the review on some of our equipment. Go ahead. They just took down some pawpaws from the tree and they're going to eat them.
I'll take one.
Yeah, but I'll be able to take a bite straight out of it.
Little baby pawpaws.
Can you toss me one?
Sure. Ooh, that one looks nice. Oh, it might be a little overripe.
That one's perfect.
Do you guys have trail names? Nobody has a trail name?
No.
All right. I was going to say, whoever was shaking that tree has one now, Pawpaw.
Pawpaw shaker.
There you go.
They were kind of blocking the bridge, but I was a little scared at first, but they're big. Yeah.
But
They just moved a little.
they don't make this big enough for a 30-pound pack, do they?
They're probably used to it. They must be. You guys have a nice day. How was the hike go?
It's strenuous. I'm not going to lie.
That's what I heard.
Very
It's pretty
strenuous.
tough. Yeah. Make sure your water's full.
Do you have a trail name?
Actually, yes.
What is it?
Nightingale.
Nightingale. All right.
I'm a nurse. Yeah. I always have tons of like first aid stuff, so that's where I got it from.
That's good.
One, yeah. I'm just day hiking though.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
You too. No cows, I'm glad. A lot of cow patties though, right? Holy cow. Literally cow. Holy crap. Stay in there. I think they're just trying to cool off.
Prime example of why you filtrate your water.
Exactly, and that's why I don't want to drink it. Oh my God, do we have to really walk by them?
Yes, we do. And I think there's going to be little chance of missing any
Oh
coffee.
shit. Where's the trail?
Maybe over there.
You gotta make a move?
I'm not going to put my stick down on this. Sorry. I had to get a cow bite.
Are you looking for the trail? 'Cause we are hoping this is our last climb out, going way uphill. "14 strenuous miles." We was going to do the Dragon's Tooth, but not with a 30-pound pack.
No.
And I did it actually 2 weeks ago, so you can see that on my YouTube channel. We're going to grab a greasy burger and a beer now.
That's right.
Thanks for watching.
It was a great
Do you
trip.
guys have trail names?
No.
You don't have trail
No.
names. You're hiking all this
Theo.
miles and no trail names.
I know, right?
hitchhiker.
Hitchhiker, yeah.
I'm Diana.
So what are you guys doing?
Giancarlo.
We just hiked to McAfee Knob and then went to Tinker Cliff and then spent the night at Lambert.
We were there. Did
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the
Yeah, they
exact
were the ones in
route.
the hammocks.
Yeah.
Yes,
Uh,
yes. You saw our comical hammock.
Did you leave your car
uh,
back there then?